For the Porsche.
It's a deal. Pleasure doing business with you.
There was a car that the world had forgotten, hidden in a dusty barn for over 30 years, buried under layers of rust, dirt, and silence. Until one day, we bought it for just $300. This isn't just a car. This is a resurrection, a journey from decay back to glory. We heard whispers of a classic Porsche, abandoned in a barn no one had entered for decades. As we stepped into the shadows, dust filled the air, sunlight pierced through broken windows, and there it was, a forgotten legend. Rust devoured its body. The tires were flat, the interior lost to time. But something about it called to us. For just $300, we shook hands and made the deal. We carefully hooked it up to the tow truck, watched it roll out of the darkness, and begin its journey back to life. The first step was transformation, not with tools, but with water. We pressure washed decades of grime, revealing the scars of time. Thick rust peeled away. Foam rolled down its sides. The car started breathing again. Then we went deeper, scrubbing every inch, removing bolts, brushing vents, cleaning floor mats soaked in age. Inside, the dashboard was lifeless, seats torn, air vents filled with dust. Bit by bit, we brought back its soul. When the restoration was complete, we brought it into the light. A buyer arrived. His eyes lit up the moment he saw it. He walked around the car, speechless, touched the paint, sat inside, started the engine. He didn't hesitate. They signed the papers, shook hands, and the keys changed hands. The car had found its next chapter. When the restoration was complete, we brought it into the light. A buyer arrived. His eyes lit up the moment he saw it. He walked around the car, speechless, touched the paint, sat inside, started the engine. He didn't hesitate. They signed the papers, shook hands, and the keys changed hands. The car had found its next chapter. Early morning, open road, golden light. The Porsche rolled forward, effortless, silent, perfect. Corners were smooth, the engine purred. The past was gone. Only the present remained. A forgotten machine brought back to life. Not just restored, reborn.